Racing has always been in our DNA, and it's taught us one thing. It's never finished. We're never finished improving. More speed, more control, more precision. Through advanced CFD development using AOX, we've created the optimal design in a single click. A design proven before we even rolled onto the track. This is just the beginning.